Explosions are caused when three contributing elements are present within an environment. Oxygen, which is found typically within the air, flammable gas or combustible dust in ignitable quantities produced as a byproduct of processes, and an ignition source, the element we will take a closer look at in today's video. Machinery operating in these environments require controlled access for both maintenance and general inspection. To ensure productivity, these guard locking or guard switching devices are typically mounted close to the machine that they guard. If a product not designed and tested for an explosive atmosphere is used in these locations, a spark or an electrostatic discharge at the device could ignite the combustible dust or the flammable gas and lead to an explosion. Explosions tragically cause loss of life, injuries, and expensive and extensive damage to facilities and equipment. The space surrounding the process creating these ignitable substances can be assigned into three zones. Zone 2/22 is an area where an explosive atmosphere would only occur very rarely and not in normal operation. Zone 1/21 is an area where an explosive atmosphere is likely to occur occasionally in normal operation, and Zone 0/20 is where you would find a constant explosive atmosphere typically found within the machine. Outside of these areas, ignition will not cause an explosion. A risk assessment would typically be used to identify these zones to guide installers and integrators to where electronic equipment can be located. The Fortress Alfred range has been designed and certified as a flame-proof enclosure, guaranteeing that any internal spark will not ignite the atmosphere. No ignition, no explosion. The new Alfred range is designed to be installed local to the operating machine within the Zone 1/21 certification to maximize accessibility and maintain productivity with optional safety on guard and safety on guard locking devices. And with ATEX, IECEX, UKEX, CCCEX and North American certification, Alfred can be used all around the globe. Alfred is manufactured from 316 stainless steel to ensure its robustness in any interlocking application. An IP69 rating guarantees that in dirty and dusty environments, operation is not affected. And with trapped key integration and the largest range of actuator types of any EX interlock on the market, Alfred can be customized to fit your application and needs.